Hey! Hey! What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a Saweetie inspired makeup tutorial. I fell in love with this look that Nikita Dragon posted on her page. They did a video together to her song. Oh my god, it's so freaking good.
Stop if you want to be on top.
Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in.
So that's the look that we're gonna do today, and we're just gonna jump right into the video.
This is so.
I already prepped and primed my skin like always. I use my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and for my T-zone area I use my Laura Mercier blurring primer. Foundation we're going to use today is the All Hours foundation paired with my Sephora 47 brush. I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Concealer in M18 and an MD23. So the M18 is going to go under my eyes. If I'm not talkative today, it's because it's kind of late and my walls are really thin, so I don't want my neighbors to hear me. And that's so weird, like if they can actually hear me right now. And this is the MD23 concealer. Now with my Pro Diffuser brush from Sephora, my Giorgio Armani, I use this all the time, my Luminous Silk foundation in 11.75 to bronze up the outer parts of my face. Now take a beauty blender. I know that back then, you know, there were no beauty blenders. They were mostly just brushes and the disposable sponges. But I honestly, like, this is so fast. Blends everything out so seamlessly. Beauty blenders are a must-have, I feel. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of those Pat McGrath concealers with this NARS one, and this is in the shade Vanilla. It's just really, really light concealer. The first translucent powder I'm gonna use is my Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection setting powder in medium 3. She was right. Okay. So she was right. So yes, Harush was right. When it comes to fine powders, you need to use a brush. A thicker powder, you use a sponge. So I'm gonna do the same stupid mistake I did on this side to this side. So I pretty much use this all over my face. It color corrects my face. I don't know if I just said that, but it color corrects my face. It blurs my skin. I'm gonna mix a little bit of my Hourglass Veil setting powder and my Huda Beauty baking powder in Blondie. I want the yellow tint that the Huda Beauty powder has, but the Huda Beauty powder is just a little too thick. I want to tone it down a little bit. That's another trick that I learned from Harush, is just mixing your translucent powders. You can have a whole bunch of translucent powders, and if you mix them all together, probably a masterpiece. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Morphe R3. I'm gonna go in with my Bayesian Girl and Mocha Mami like always from Fenty. I love this combo so much. Look at that. Now we're gonna bake. So that little concoction that I did, take your beauty blender, with a Sephora Flawless Light Powder brush. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Micro Powder. Lightly, I'm just gonna sweep away the baking. For blush, I'm gonna use my Fenty Petal Poppin' Cream Blush with a beauty blender. I think I'm gonna mix Petal Poppin' and Crush on Cupid together. Crush on Cupid is like that hot pink, and Petal Poppin' is that really pale, so I want something right in the middle. I'm gonna use 2 palettes tonight. This is the Huda Beauty Nude palette and the Norvina Volume 3 palette. I'm gonna mix 2 colors. First one is gonna be Tickle, and the next one is gonna be B3. So I want a soft pink color. We're gonna go in with a Morphe M433. Oh wait, isn't Morphe canceled? I need to do my research. I just found out about this today, about this whole Morphe thing. I'll talk about it in my next Get Ready With Me, because there's a lot of shit going on apparently on the internet and the beauty community, and I haven't really been, I don't really keep up with none of that stuff. Before I used to be interested because, you know, it was entertaining, a little bit of drama, but I kind of don't really care for it. Like, I don't really care about drama. I'm in such a happy place in my life right now, and I'm so grateful to be here. I don't really care too much about any unnecessary drama. Alright, next color we're gonna pick up is going to be C3 and D1 with a Morphe M505. I'm gonna go in with Fantasy, Daydream, and Crave. So first I'm gonna go in with this one, then the second layer would be this one, and then the last layer would be these two mixed together. And that's just gonna go on my brow bone, and I'm using a Morphe E22 brush. So this is the first color I'm going to do. Next, Daydream, and now Crave, just right there. Now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm using a Sonia Kashuk brush. It doesn't have a name on it, but it looks like that. My God, I haven't cut my crease in so long. I'm not gonna do a crazy defined cut crease. I'm just gonna do something light. Use a flat brush, Daydream and Fantasy from the Huda palette. So it's this one right here. Now moving on to liner. It's my Sephora collection Precision Liner. I'm gonna do this other eye. I'm gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I use my Lily lashes in Miami. And now I'm gonna show you the lip. Sephora collection lip pencil in Molasses. Now I'm gonna use my Dior lip gloss in 006. For my Artist Couture Diamond Lights finisher, I'm gonna use it in Spotlight Glitz. On top of that, with my Pat McGrath Dare to Bear Lush lip gloss. So let me put on a few accessories just to tie the whole look together. I'm gonna put on some earrings. So nice. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Hair done, makeup done. What you guys think of this makeup look? If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.
Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in.